Hello and welcome back to your new tutorial. I am Lakshmi Kantiwari. We are taking a Python and the Boto3 tutorial series at YouTube. So in these examples, Python code will be used to create and manage users in IAM. It's Identity Access Management of AWS. So at AWS, you can access and you can create, you can update and delete users from your terminals using Boto3 library. And these Boto3 library also has access to the EC2, S3 means others AWS services. So in the very first tutorial, I'll gonna show you how to create a users. So as usual, we need to enter into the Python shell and then import a Boto3 library, and then we need to create a client connection with the IAM, that is Identity Access Management. Here I have written it, misspelled it, so I need to correct it with the IAM. So IAM is equal to Boto3 dot client and IAM. Now the object has been created, IAM, and now we need to create a user. So let's create a user here, and we can write here the response. The response after creating user would be written into the would be returned back into the response, and then response is equal to IAM dot create underscore user, and now we need to give the key, that is username. Okay, so the key is a username, and there you can see I have shown you there was a new user, and now we need to create a new user, IAM underscore, it's a username, and now the key, that is key is username equal to, now we need to write username, just another user. Okay, so now let's print the response. Okay, so here you can see HTTP returned 200, and just another user has been created, date and the time has given there, and the user ID is given there, and if I refresh it at AWS console, you can see just another user has been created. Now I'm gonna show you few more examples how you can list users who are in your accounts. And as you can see, the new user has been created, but the access key is not attached with the new user, right? So there is no security credentials, and also we can also create an access key with the new user, right? So now I'm going to show you how to list users into your account. You can simply write there user is equal to IAM dot get underscore paginator, and then list user, right? So I think it would be the list users. Then what it would do, it would return the list of users into the user, right? So what we need to do now, we need to apply here a for loop which will go through the user paginator, right? So I'm here showing you if you try to print the user only, the page user.paginator, you will get the object address. But if you want to list the users, then you need to apply here a for loop. So it's a for response. Okay, so the for loop and then variable is the response, and you will look into the user.paginator, right? And now you print the response. And if you double enter, now it will print the response of the users. So here are two users, just another users, and the another one user is YouTube. as I have already shown you. I had one user and then I created one more user, just another user, and then now you can see here there are two users, right? And it tried and tried it only once. Retry attempts for the 0. HTTP status code is 200. That's it. It has carried out operation successfully. Okay, good. Now suppose that if you want to update the username, so you can do it very easily. You need to just do IAM.update underscore user, and then you need to write the username which you want to update. So I want to update the just another name with the new username. So then you need to give a key ID, that is new username, and then you can give a name of new username. So let's give just new name. Now username would be changed with the new name. Okay, okay, so now let's see. Okay, HTTP response, HTTP header, HTTP response 200, and the header was successfully. And now let's list the user. Okay, so we have here two options. Either we can list the users at the terminal, or we can see the user at the console. So if you see the console, new user has been updated. Okay, now suppose that if you want to delete the user, you can delete the user from your console itself. So it IAM.delete underscore user, and then you need to give here a name. So the name, first of all, that you need to give the key, that is the username, and then the name of that user which you want to delete. So the new name would be deleted, and let's see the new name. Okay, so it's deleted. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and stay tuned for the next one. And if you want to get update, you can subscribe this channel.